We're just waiting for Devraj to come.
Yeah, yeah.
Devraj, can you switch on your camera?
Switch on.
Okay, I can't see you.
Can't it on.
Okay, yes.
Hi.
Hi, welcome everyone. We have Devraj with us. He has done BFA in digital painting, and he is today going. He lives in Chennai. Today, he's going to show us how he works on his digital painting. So, Devraj, what are the software you use for your digital paintings?
Coral Painter 2021.
Okay,
A
so the
new
newest
software.
version of the.
Yeah, newest version. Okay.
So, what is the process you will be teaching us that today?
Yeah, I simply simple drawing and sketch and coloring uh, this painting.
Okay, okay, awesome. So I'll
Yeah,
leave the stage to you. You can
yeah.
share your screen, and I'm always there to help you in case there is
Oh,
a trouble. I'll do the
okay,
troubleshooting. So best of luck. Enjoy everyone the session, and in the later part, we will take the Q&A from the audience. Enjoy.
okay, okay. Coral Painter.
So Devraj, what are we
Yeah.
doing today? What are you showing us?
Simple painting. This is my painting. Uh,
Okay.
this is the screen, the boat and sceneries, boat scene, sea.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, drawing the simple drawing.
Do you have a special board which you use to draw? Because from a mouse, it's very difficult. Or you have
Oh,
mastered the art. He has started the work. I should not disturb him now. So go
oh,
ahead. Vijay, can you hear me? Sorry, Devraj.
Yeah, tell me.
Devraj, there are people who are asking if
Uh,
you can also tell what tool are you taking to make these lines and these textures.
Textures are the board texture. This is a canvas texture.
Okay, canvas
Uh,
picture is there. And what
yeah.
is the current tool you are using?
Junkie oil pastel. Oil pastel.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's a
Yeah.
brush which you are
Yeah.
using, right?
Brush. Okay, pastel brush.
Okay. Okay. So Devraj is using Coral Draw, and right now currently he's using the brush. The texture he has used is the canvas on which he's drawing, and I'm sure because few people who are little aware about the software, there are multiple choices of brush which one can use. Right now he's making a board which is looking very very beautiful. It's so amazing to actually see something to start with, like which was blank and now is slowly filling. He's doing it with such a ease that it's looking so easy, but I know that how difficult it is because I sometimes use um, Photoshop, and even cutting is also a struggle for a person like me. And he is doing all this with such an ease and quick too. Yes, absolutely, Ritu. He's very quick and smooth. The selection of colors, so very eager to know. That's what Ritu is saying. Okay, guys, my apologies. The software is called Coral Painter software. Purnima is sending me a side message because I sort of named it wrong. It's not Coral Draw, it's Coral Painter software. And Devraj has been doing this for 10 years. It's a decade long practice which we are seeing right now, and how smoothly doing it. He is also using a Wacom tablet and a pen tool, which sort of makes it like you are actually drawing it on a paper. And see little rope I can see now coming on it, and slowly and steadily it's building on what we see on the side, what he has already drawn. I'll go to discuss. There are people who are asking Coral Painter software, right? Yes, Aditi, you're right. This is the Coral Painter software. And right now he's using texture of the canvas and he's using the brush tool. It allows him to choose any brush and color palette. And slowly we are seeing that the little layering is coming. There are shades which we can see he's trying to create. All of this is done by using the different kind of brush. He's using the opacity, the color, and there are lots of options in this software.
All medium here, acrylic and oil, pastel, watercolor.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah, all medium here.
Devraj, you are a genius.
Photoshop is image editing only, I think. Image editing is software is only painting, only painter user. user friendly, painter only artist user friendly software.
This is so interesting to actually see something building up from scratch.
Yeah,
So, Devraj, while you're doing this, I'm sure there is our option which can also allows you to make it a mixed media. Like you are
yeah,
using this brush, you can also put a picture also, right? In this,
yeah.
because a lot of artists these days are doing mixed media, and it's there is there are a lot of people who say कि creativity की कोई उड़ान जो है उसको रोक नहीं सकता. तो this is a place where you can do so much. These
Yeah.
software allows you to do so much, and it is I'm blown.
Okay.
My God, there are lots of likes suddenly coming up. Oh, okay, thank you so much, guys, for these likes. Devraj, you have already got more than 400 likes. People are liking it.
Oh,
Which
thank you.
version of the software it is? Shefali is asking. Shefali, this is the latest version he's using,
Yeah,
and Ritu is saying totally genius. It's not easy even with pencil. Hats off. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. The software version is 2021. Juhi, you would like to see how to add mixed media and digital art. There's also one more session which is at 4 o'clock, which you can see, which is with Amitabh. He will also show you lots of mixed media. He's basically an illustrator, and there are lots of places where you will get to in sessions. You'll get to know about the mixed media. There is another artist called Jalal Lukman. He's the artist from Abu Dhabi. He's the first digital artist of Dubai, and he's going to also share his experiences and also give you a sneak peek of the work he has done. So there are ample opportunities where you can learn about the mixed media. Devraj is going very, very fast. We can see things building up now. It's almost looking like we are there, but I know there are finer details which he'll work on. Is this possible to do on iPad with a stylist? Devraj, is that a possibility? Can we do this on an iPad with a stylist?
yeah, yeah. iPad.
Okay,
Install
Aditi,
the
he said that.
Painter.
And
Install the Corel Painter software or do
yeah,
iPad.
okay. So Devraj is saying that you can install the software on your iPad and you can do the same what he's doing. I hope you are not getting disturbed with my running commentary here. Devraj,
Yeah.
I hope you are not getting disturbed by my running commentary.
Running at this time.
Okay. Okay.
Adjustment the canvas texture little bit think more
Mhm.
little more scaling little scaling.
Okay. Guys, just tell me one thing by giving lots of thumbs. Sometimes it gets boring. Do you want us to play music during the session, which can you know, engaging also. But when we talk, then we can sort of, you know, put it on pause. I can see few thumbs up coming. Okay, Nalima doesn't want no music, but I can see lots of thumbs up here. Okay, all right. Okay, then let's not play the music. Let's keep it simple and let the artist do the work. Thank you. We appreciate your feedback. So Rajkumar is asking how does the digital painting is valued in comparison to original painting, especially acceptance and pricing. So Dev, Rajkumar, you stay tuned. There's a session tomorrow where we are also talking about art and photography. I guess it'll almost give you an answer where you from uh, Bhavna Kakkar, who is a gallerist from Latitude 28. She will be talking about the pricing point and also how collectors sort of, engage or what are their perception in terms of digital paintings and photographs. So you will get their answers tomorrow. Okay, Sri Lalita is asking, would love some tips on picking colors for the artwork. Devraj will be able to answer that better. We are actually running short on time here. We have sort of leaked into the bone painting art session because about to start at 2:30. We're already delayed by 10 minutes. Um, Devraj, how much time do you
Yeah,
think you will take?
yeah, almost finished the final touch.
Okay.
Okay, this is a paint, a thick paint. The tools
All
is
right.
a thick paint tool. The,
Yeah.
the yeah, you know, the paint
Wow.
original,
So
yeah, original paint like
this is
original.
very
Yeah.
quick that was, and I can't believe that you did all that in 20 minutes. This is amazing. I guess we need
Oh,
lots of thumbs up for Devraj here, and I would like to say thank you to Devraj. And in case you have any questions for him, You can grab a table, you can go to his booth and talk about his work and the brushes and everything he's using. You can have a one-on-one session with him. Devraj, thank you so much. I'm sorry we have to cut this short because
Okay,
we
okay,
have to now go for the Goan painting live demonstrations. So I
okay,
would like everyone to join us there, and I'll see you guys in the Goan painting demo. Bye.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Devraj.
Okay.